Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to go ahead and fire up every one of these light bars so you guys can see each one of them in action. What I'm going to do is as I turn them on, I'm going to go ahead and put a picture next to it. And I'm going to give you a quick description of that particular light that's turned on as far as the make model so you guys know what the brand name of that particular light is. So let's go ahead and get to it. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start right here with my Federal Signal Twin Beacon Ray Model 14 aka VisiBar. This next one is just a homemade twin beacon bar that I made out of a couple of 121 Federal Signal beacons. This next one is just an amber and green star bar. This next one is a homemade light bar that I made out of an aerodynamic chassis with some extra lenses with a couple rotators, some front and rear work lights, and an amber strobe. This next one is a Code 3 mini bar, Force 4, with a clear lens and red filters. This one is an aerodynamic 22i, no lenses, and a burnt out light bulb with amber filters. This is a Federal Signal Target Tech Highlighter Amber Minibar. This is a Mars Skybolt Beacon with the blue lens. This one is a Wheelands Liberty LED light bar. This one is the Wheelands 9000 Edge Ultra light bar. This is the Wheelands 9000 Edge. This one is a Wheelands 9M. This is also a Wheelands 9M. These are all the takedowns for this row. This is a Federal Signal Twin Sonic 12X. This is a Wheelands Justice LED bar. A Smith & Wesson 8884 all blue. A Smith & Wesson 8884 red blue. This is a Smith & Wesson 8884 all red. These are my takedowns. This is a Federal Signal Twin Sonic CTS bar. This is a Federal Signal Model 14 beacon with a green dome. And this is a VP pancake light. This is a Federal Signal Aero Twin RWL Wrecker Special. This is a Federal Signal Aero Twin 24X. This is a Federal Signal Aerodynamic 24EH. This is a Code 3 SD bar 2nd gen that I outfitted with some LED light bulbs. This is a Federal Signal Beacon Ray 176 with a blue dome. This is a Trilight RF6 clear dome blue bulbs. This is a Federal Signal Beacon Ray 174 oscillating light. This is a Federal Signal Aerodynamic 24M. This is a Federal Signal Aero Twin NYPD bar. This is a Signal Stat light. The original rotators are not in this bar. This is a Federal Signal Aero Hawk AH2. The light at the top here is a Federal Signal Beacon Ray Model 17 6-volt. Bulbs are burnt out at this time, so I can't turn it on. This one right here is a Federal Signal Beacon Ray 175 hill light. This next one is a grout beacon. It does work, but I don't have the proper dome, so I can't turn it on because it rubs it. This next one is from a company called Dominion Auto from Toronto, Canada. This next one has a sticker on it that says Fleet Industries on it, but doing some research, it looks like it's manufactured by the ECCO company. This one is a Star Saber LED. This one is a Federal Signal Vista. This one is a Federal Signal Jetsonic. This is a Code 3 MX7000. This one also is a Code 3 MX7000. And here's the takedowns for this row. This is a Willans 4500 series ambulance light, 86 inches long. This is a Federal Signal Vector light. This is a Federal Signal Street Hawk light that I made custom purple filters for. This is also a Federal Signal Street Hawk light. This is a 48 inch. This is also a Federal Signal Street Hawk light. This one's a 52 inch. And this is all the takedowns for this row except for the bottom one where it's a front flasher. The first two strobes, the first one is an ECCO strobe, and the second one I'm not really sure what it is because there's no stickers or logos on it. On the next three strobes, the top one is a Target Tech Pulsator 551. Then we have a Flasher Diaz 720 and a Welland strobe. This next one is a ECCO rotating light. The next one is an Aero Safety Device Company Junior Beacon light. You have a SOVP, a Fireball 15, and a Code 3 dash laser. Next we have a Fireball 11 and just a small Wellens minibar. This one right here was a Wellens 9M housing with just some random strobes I put in there to make a custom light out of it. This is a small Automaster roadside light. And these next four little LED lights, these are just POV lights that would go on the dash of a car. Okay, so all good things must come to an end. This was my entire light bar collection, all turned on. I hope that information that I provided with each light when it was turned on kind of helps with any questions on, hey, what kind of light was that at, say, 3 minutes and 12 seconds kind of thing. So I hope that was very helpful. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.